Let me show you how to do party makeup by yourself. I want you to focus your eye. My name is Tech Beauty. I'm based in United Kingdom, London. So today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can achieve it on yourself. I just finished taking my bath. I'm on my way to 50th birthday. Our church, one of our church member, she's celebrating her 50th birthday. So I take my bath, I apply primer spray already behind the scene, primer cream, then I apply sweat and oil block. Now it's foundation. The thing I applied there on my eyebrows is bright timer to slick, to have that natural eyebrows. This is foundation. So this shade, before it's my shade, and I observe that it's a little bit darker. Maybe this season my skin is getting brighter. In case you have interest, you want to know it's not cream actually. I'm using it's Shelly, we call it Shelly. Then I can help you to get it. So what I am using now is foundation. I use the brighter color under my eyebrows, under my eye. Then I'm using liquid blush on my cheek. I want you to focus. You will learn one or two things from this tutorial. So right now I'm taking the brighter color on my eyeshadow, on my pressed powder palette. I take bright color. I use it on the lighter area. Then now I'm going to take the darker one a little bit than my skin. Use it to contour. This what I'm using now is the powder. Use it to shaping my nose. Now I will bake under my eye, the highlighter area, with baking powder. You can use any baking powder of your choice. If you want to buy makeup product, I sell makeup product, I sell oil perfume. All these products I am using, I sell them. Just text me on my WhatsApp makeup link. I will send you the catalog link with the prices. I will post it to you, but I don't post to Nigeria. Only the people in UK, US, Canada, Europe, yes. So now I want to draw my eye pencil. Even this eye pencil I am using, I have it. Yes, it's very good. So then don't be in a rush. You will see the wig I will put on later. That wig I have it in case you have interest. So right now I'm using concealer, brighter color than my skin, to highlight the eyebrows. Make sure don't use that brighter color in the beginning of your eyebrows. Right now I blend it. That brush I apply. Now this is eyeshadow base. This eyeshadow base is very good in case you want your eyeshadow to look poppy and smooth. You apply eyeshadow under your before you make eyeshadow. So this is eyeshadow base, that white one. So right now I'm applying eyeshadow. So the reason we apply eyeshadow base, so that by the time you now apply your eyeshadow, then your eyeshadow will pop out and smooth, looking more beautiful. So me, I don't normally like loud makeup because it's party. I want to look natural glam. You know, we have different type of nude makeup. We have just the nude. We have the nude glam. What I'm doing now is the nude glam. So please, I'm going out. Me and my husband, we are going together. So I just want to look good. Me, I'm not a party person, but on that fateful day, it's not what I can escape. I say, let me go and celebrate with our church member. Most time people invite me for their event. I always come up with different excuse. I don't attend, but this particular one, I said, I cannot escape this one. Okay, so what I'm doing now, after I use the dark brown, eyeshadow. Then I now use dark brown as well, the Glinter dark brown, so that to make my face look more glam. So that is what we are doing right now. I hope you are learning one or two things. In case you want to book me for your event, I'm available to travel. Go and check my work on Instagram, Deck Beauty. We do photo shoot, we do makeup, we do a lot of things. We do okuku. I have studio here this is my studio. I have studio here in London. You can come and have your photo shoot. We do okuku, we do the golden okuku, the coral okuku. Just visit my Instagram. Most of my work are there. Yes, we are almost done. That is my eyelash done. Yes, so background there, as you can see, O is there. So right now I use eyeliner. I use eyeliner on top of my eyelash. It's optional. You can use your eyeliner before your eyelash, or you can. Okay, see the part I'm waiting for. This is the pre-style wig. I just spray. So this is what I'm wearing. It's already styled. This is original hair. This is original hair. Guarantee you can use it for 10 years. You can use it for 10 years. It's original. So I have it in two color. I have the black. I have the mixed gold and brown. Okay, so right now I want to blend my face. I'm using setting powder to set the whole of my face right now. So just don't use too much product. So right now I am done. I will spray my face. Spray your face, spray your face. Because I already apply a blush before, so this time around I will just apply a little bit of a blinky this thing. So right now I'm now using the light, very light blush. So this one is very light blush. So right now this is my nude lipstick. Because we are almost running late. I'm just trying my best to make sure everything is fine. Okay, in case you want to buy pre-style wig, I have it in different style. Go to my Instagram, you will see different style. Just scroll down below. So but in case the style you are looking for is not there, you can send me the type of style you want. I have the hair to make it for you. It's original hair. Okay, my lips is done. So I want to put some glossy on it. Yes, I want it to be more glossy. I don't like when my lips is dried. I don't like matte lips lipstick. So what do you think on this makeup? Yes, so you know, if it's video you cannot. Now I just freeze my face. I freeze it. Yes, done. Do you see the magic? That is the celebrant. Yes, so that is me on 360. Yes, so we are enjoying with her celebrant. This is the entrance. She is coming. She is 50, celebrating her 50th birthday. Yes, that day we really enjoy. That is my wig. You see the wig. So if you know you have interest, you contact me. My number is on my Instagram. My number is on my Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. Okay. Now we beat this, so some of our church member. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, that is all. So that is the end of today. Yes. So see you on my next video. These are all my service. See you on my next video. Drop your comment down below for me. God bless you. Bye.